Hello and welcome to this video. In this one we're going to speak about a little detail for Instagram and naming your Instagram account. That is kind of little, but it's good to have it in mind and use it whenever you can. So if you see here, basically the idea is that you should put your real name here. If you see, it says Yannis Andreou, exactly as his name is. Mine one also, Fivos Radis. And if you have a business, Intmars, exactly as it is. Now, in the previous video on choosing your Instagram handle, we spoke that, and I basically said that if your name is taken from someone else and he has already put it as his username, you can also use a little dot, let's say, between the first name and the last name, or if you are talking, or if you have anything to do with fitness, you can put like Fivos Radis Fitness or something like that. That's okay, but here your name should be exactly as it is. Here the same. Here the same about Inmars or whatever company you have. Yes, but the best thing is really to have the same here and the same here. If you don't have the username available exactly as your name, you should have it exactly here as your real name is or your business is, because in this way people will actually find you easier in Instagram when they search for you. Yes, so basically this is the idea. Again, it's a little detail, but it's good to know it and it's good to use it. So yes, this is a short video, and put it into application, and I will see you in the next video.